Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, we write a Java program to get the current date and the current time using the calendar class. So before we begin, it is a request that if you like this video, if you find this helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only 1 or 2 is subscribed and your subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. Alright. So we'll first find the current date. Alright. So I will use a calendar class. I'll say calendar. Okay. So this is my variable name. I'll say calendar again. Okay. The name of the class and get instance. Alright. And this is the way you get an instance of the calendar class. You cannot do something like this, calendar cal equal to new. Okay. So it creates an anonymous inner type. Okay. We don't want that. Okay. Now we use calendar class methods to get the day, month and year. So to get the day, I will say the name of the object that I created dot get method. Now this get method can get you any value related to the current calendar, current date or current time. Okay. So to get the current day, I will pass calendar dot day of month. Now this is a static field that signifies the day of month. So calendar will give me the day of month for this calendar that is created. Okay. Then I'll say month is calendar dot get calendar dot month. Okay. All right. And month is 0 indexed. That is Jan is 0, Feb is 1 and so on till 11 is December. All right. And calendar stores the data about current date and time. Okay. Since month is 0 indexed, okay, so if I say month, okay, so you can see in the docs it says January, which is 0. So you get the month 0 indexed, so you add 1 to it. Okay. Then we get the year as we use the calendar.get method again. I want to get the year. All right. So we got the calendar class instance. Okay. And then we use the get methods and the static fields of the calendar class to get the day, month and year. Pretty simple. Now we print the date today. All right. So in order to print the date, I will use these two functions. Okay. And this is something that I've already explained. So the link to that video I'll add. So this simply prints the date in this format. Okay. So this is basically printing the day first. Okay. Which is this value. Then it prints THSTNDRD. Okay. Followed by a space. Okay. Followed by the name of the month. Okay. Using this helper method. Then a comma and space, and then the year. All right. So this helper method takes in the month number between 1 to 12 and returns the name of the month. So I've taken a hard coded array where location 0 is redundant, location 1 is Jan, location 2 is Feb, and so on. So month names of I will give me the month name for I, which I return. All right. Okay. And you have to make sure that mm is always between 1 to 12, because if mm is greater than 12, you will get an array index of bounds exception. All right. Okay. So I call this method print date. Okay. I'll say day, month and year. Okay. Takes 3 values, day, month and year. All right. So let me run this. So today is 18th June 2023. All right. And that is what is printed. Okay. We can also use this calendar class to get the name of the month. Okay. Instead of using this helper method. Okay. But at times it happens that I forget the calendar class methods. So I write my own methods. Okay. But still I'll show you. So if I pass, okay, calendar as well. So I'll say calendar, and here I use this calendar class instance dot get display name. Okay. So what display name I want? I want calendar dot month. And then I want calendar dot long. Okay. That is the month, the entire long name. And I want this in English. Okay. So if I run this again, I get the same very output. Okay. So I need to pass calendar here again. calendar. Okay, so let me run this. Okay, I get the same output. Now if I change this long to short, so I get the short 3-letter word for the month. Okay, so June, if it is April, I'll get APR, if it is October, I'll get OCT, and so on. Okay, so I'll keep using the long form. Okay, and then this method becomes redundant. Okay, all right, so I was able to print the day in this format as requested. All right, okay, then I print the current time. For the time I need hours, minutes, and seconds. Again, using the calendar class dot get. This time I want calendar dot hour. Okay, so you can have hour in 12-hour format, which is just the hour, it says 12-hour clock, or hour of day, which is 24-hour clock. So I'll use hour of day. Okay, you can get minutes as calendar dot get calendar dot minute, and similarly seconds as calendar dot get calendar dot second. All right, okay, let me print the time. I'll say sys out. Okay, hours followed by minutes followed by seconds. Okay, so let me run this. So it is 23, 39, 39. Okay, so running this again. All right, so you see I get second as a single digit. I want 04 instead of 4. So I'll say if my seconds is less than 10. All right, so give me a string which is 0 plus seconds. Okay, else just give me the seconds, so adding, okay, blank to the seconds. All right, and similarly for minutes. Okay, so I'll get minutes. Okay, all right, so I don't want 23:4, I want 23:04. All right, and similarly for hours, if I have like 1 hour, so I want 01. Okay, so I'll copy this again and I'll paste it here. So I'll say hours and hours. All right, running this again. Okay, so for 6 seconds I get 06. All right, and why am I not using the date class? So I'll just get the date as date from java.util. Date is equal to calendar dot get time. Okay, now if I set hours to date dot get hours, okay, it says it is deprecated. Okay, that we should not be using this anymore. So if I do this, I get a crosshair. All right, and if you look at the documentation, okay, it says calendar dot get. Okay, use calendar dot get calendar dot hour of day, which we are using here. All right, that's why we are not using the date class anymore. Okay, all right, so this was the solution to get the current date and time, and it is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Okay, so if this video was helpful, so please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments if there was anything not clear to you in this video, or if there is a question you want me to solve, or if there is a concept you want me to discuss, or if you don't like this video, you dislike this video, so please also mention the reason in the comments why you dislike this video, because if I only get a dislike and I don't get the reason, I cannot improve upon it. All right, so thank you for watching.